In this video, we're going to walk you through the process of creating a map in Sassafras Key Reporter. Even if you're not planning on creating a floor plan layout for each room, the geographic map tools will give you 90% of the functionality in just a few minutes. When selecting a room that doesn't have a floor plan, the new default is simply to display a list view of the computers. So build out your geographic maps immediately, and then you can come back to create your room layouts one at a time when it's convenient. By default, the first tab on the Maps page is designed to organize the lab locations based on divisions. Maps can also be built around tag-based computer groups, but it's far more common to build division or nested division-based maps and floor plans. The ability to add additional tabs allows you to create separate geographic maps for different campuses or departments, but in this case, we're just going to add a new tab so you can see how to create and set up a new map from scratch. Let's call this new map tab East Campus. When the map is finished and you're ready to make it publicly accessible, return to these settings and check this box. If you want the availability bars to show the number of computers that are in use rather than how many are available, check here. This view is particularly helpful when building a map for lab managers or other administrators. Students and end users want to find computers that are available, while admins may want to quickly see how many computers are currently being used. With the new map tab created, we're now ready to create our map by placing the first pin. Select a division by clicking the plus icon. Change the display name if you want it to be different from the division name. And unless you know the exact latitude and longitude of the building or location, just click Add. Now you see a set of 6 icons. The first is used to make the pin and floor plan visible to non-admins. The second allows you to place the lab location on the map. The third reopens the settings for this lab. The fourth is for adding or editing the lab hours. The fifth is for adding or editing a floor plan layout. And the sixth deletes the pin and floor plan from the map completely. Let's click the pin icon and set the location for this room. After clicking the pin for the division, you can click the pin above the map to zoom into your current location. You may need to give the browser permission to use your computer's location, and if it can't be found, you may have to just zoom in from here. As long as you drag or scroll each time you click on the map, the location pin won't be placed on the map. When you do find the location you're looking for, simply click without dragging to place the pin. If you accidentally place the pin in the wrong spot, just re-click the pin icon and try again. Now that the first pin has been placed, the page will automatically center on this location the next time you load it, making it much easier to place the rest of the pins. When you're finished with each one, click here to make each pin visible to guest viewers, then go into the map settings and click here to make the map itself public. Log out to verify and you're finished. That's it. Thanks for watching this video on Sassafras Maps, and be sure to check out the next video on floor plan layouts.